If you're getting error code 0xC272E005 when trying to launch games from GeForce Now on Mac, here's how you can fix it. First, uninstall NVIDIA GeForce Now. Open Finder. Go to Applications, find NVIDIA GeForce Now, right-click, and select Move to Bin. Make sure the app is fully closed before doing this. Once it's moved, you can also empty the bin to completely remove it. Next, clean up leftover files. In Finder, click Go to Folder, and enter ~library/caches. Look for any folders named NVIDIA or NVIDIA GeForce Now. Right-click and delete them. Also check these locations: ~library/application support/NVIDIA, ~/library/containers/com.nvidia.g/nfc.ml. If you find any of these, delete them as well. That's it. This process should fix the error and let you launch your games smoothly. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Mac and gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.